7:30 p.m. Please remain seated and keep exits and aisles clear, and I will return to reach the gate and the fasten seatbelt signs are turned off. You can now turn on and utilize your mobile phones. Smoking is not allowed until you reach the designated smoking area outside the terminal building. If you were given an infrared life jacket at the beginning of the flight, please have this ready for collection by the cabin crew. And before you leaving us today, please do check around your seat and behind, especially small items like passports and mobile phones. When covered delays in the terminal, please have all your documentation ready for the authorities. To check an appeal, we will collect this at the door as we say goodbye, and further information about this appeal will be from our website at the.com. Also, we are aware that many of you are connecting on the VS025 to JFK, New York. The flight is being held and waiting for you to depart, so we'll ask you if very kindly all those people that have been in that area. Once again, follow the purple signs of flight connection, and please proceed to your next flight, which is waiting for you to depart.
इंडिया से मिल गई थी कितने दी थी ट्रिपल दो आया लैंड हो गया
Make sure left is man and the doors are done.
Heathrow can crew, thank you. Switching the seatbelt sign off.